Hi, grade 6. Yan. Kahapon, pinag-usapan natin yung cardinality ng set. Cardinality of sets. Sabi natin, ang cardinality refers to the number of elements in given sets. It is denoted by a symbol of n, or we can write it at cardinality of set A is written by n open and close parentheses A. Okay, may mga example tayo. Set of primary color, it is red, yellow, and blue. That is why, ano ang cardinality nito ng set of primary colors? That is N, or cardinality of set A is 3. O N, close and open parenthesis, A is equals to 3. How about this example? Set of cardinality or set of school days in a week. So school days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So ang cardinality, the cardinality of set B is 5. So sabi natin, ang cardinality is the number of the element in sets. Now, paano naman kapag no element? So hindi natin siya sinusulat ng empty sets or null sets. So mali iyon. So sabi natin kapag empty ang sets o walang elements, rather no elements in the set, like this one set of the days in a week that starts in B. So wala naman sa elements 'yon, kaya and or the cardinality of set A is 0. So hindi tayo pwedeng maglagay ng empty or null sets. Okay, so ang hinihingi kasi yung bilang nung set. So it is 0. Okay. Now, let's go to the finite and infinite sets. Pag sinabing finite sets, ito ay can be counted o pwede nating mabigay yung kanyang number of elements, or we can give the exact cardinality of the set. Pag sinabi naman nating infinite set, ito naman ay set that cannot be counted or hindi natin pwedeng mabilang dahil sobrang dami or infinite nga. May infinity, hindi siya matatapos. So again, finite set can be counted. Infinite set cannot be counted. Let's go to the example. So, counting numbers. So, pag sinabi natin counting numbers or set of counting numbers, that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So, a set A is an infinite set. So, paano natin malalaman na infinite set? Because what? Because of this one, may ellipsis sa dulo. Ayan, yung tatlong tuldok. We call that ellipsis or ellipsis. So this one. Okay, tignan natin tong set B. Set B is counting numbers less than 5. If we analyze the set, sabi, ito daw yung set B ay counting numbers kung saan ang pinaka ay mas mababa sa 5. So ano yun? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So anong klase siya? It is finite or infinite set. So this is finite set. Bakit? Kasi wala siyang ellipsis. Bukod sa wala siyang ellipsis, ang hinihingi lang naman ay counting numbers na mas mababa sa 5. That's why the elements or the cardinality ng set B ay 4 because we can give the exact element or the exact number of element in this set. So, pag nabibigay natin yung exact number ng sets, ibig sabihin finite sets. Okay, how about this one? May nakita kayong ellipsis, kaso may kaduktong kasi ang set natin ay letters in English alphabet. So it is from A to Z. Kaya lang may nakita kayong ellipsis sa gitna tapos tinuloy ulit. So hindi siya infinite set. Bakit hindi siya infinite set? Kasi ang English alphabet ay from A to Z. May number, meron siyang number of elements. Bakit may ellipsis sa gitna? Kasi it is means ginagamit din natin ng ellipsis para hindi natin isulat yung buong elements. 'Di ba? Para hindi natin isulat yung buong elements. Ibig sabihin, nitong ellipsis natin, after the ellipsis, may kasunod pa. Ayan, ito yung dito mag-e-end. So, ang English alphabet, dahil kaya nating bilangin, this is a set C is a finite set. How about this one? Whole numbers greater than zero. Lahat daw ng whole numbers na mas mataas sa zero. Okay, may ellipsis, wala namang kasunod. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas sa zero, infinity, tuloy-tuloy yung pagbibilang. So that is infinite sets. Okay, so madali lang yung lesson natin ngayon. Again, pag sinabing finite, kaya nating ibigay yung number of elements. Pag infinite, hindi natin kayang ibigay yung number of elements, yung cardinality ng elements. Dahil continuous siya or infinity siya. Compare sa finite na kaya nating ibigay yung number of elements. Okay. Now, for your activity grade 6, please get your worksheet and do page 6. Write or state whether the following set is finite or infinite sets. That's all for today. At isang lesson na lang natitira sa atin. Tapos review na, then malapit na tayo mag-exam. Maraming salamat.